Looking for a smart AI code editor that feels like GitHub Copilot on steroids? Let me show you how to install Cursor AI on your Mac. It's quick, smart, and developer friendly. Open Google and search for Cursor AI. Click the first link that says Cursor, the AI code editor. You'll land on a clean and modern website, trusted by engineers, with GitHub Copilot style features, built in chat, and inline code suggestions. On the home page, you'll see two buttons: download for Mac or Lupao. Click download for Mac. Once the download starts, take a moment to check out their pricing. Free LS free plan is great for hobbyists. It includes limited access, perfect for testing and learning. When the DMG file finishes downloading, open it from the downloads folder. Click the cursor icon to begin installation. When it opens, it may prompt you to sign up or log in. You can skip that for now or create a free account. Asks to import your settings from VS Code. You can skip that and start fresh. FX, you'll be asked to choose a theme. We selected the default dark theme, but you also get cool options. After that, it asks for your preferred keyboard layout and programming language so it can personalize your experience. After selecting the layout, it takes us straight into the Cursor AI code editor. We click on Open Project and create a new folder named Cursor AI, then hit Open. Now the interface looks just like VS Code. On the left, you see the folder structure. On the right, there's the Cursor AI chat window, ready to assist. We create a new file and name it hello.p. Now let's test Cursor's real power. Our goal: create a Python script for screen recording. So we simply ask Cursor, but before it can generate anything, it asks us to log in. So we click the login button to proceed. Cursor then redirects you to cursor.com for authentication. Enter your email and verify using a login code. Once verified, you're logged in. Now you'll see the Cursor dashboard. It starts creating a sample project automatically. On the left, you'll see folders. On the right, it shows the files and generated code, including readme.md. Set up files like .env, .gitignore, etc. Just like that, Cursor is ready. It writes boilerplate code, sets up files for you, and acts like a real-time coding buddy. That's it. Cursor AI is installed and ready to boost your coding flow. Want a setup guide for Windows next? Drop a comment below.